Yes, now this episode we're going to discuss about JavaScript variables. JavaScript variables can be thought of as named containers. You can place data into those containers and then refer to the data simply by naming the container. Variables are declared with var keyword first before being used. For example, the var money, that's how you declare it as a variable. A var name or money. You can even combine them but declare them differently. Storing a value in a variable is called variable initialization. Variable initialization can be done at the time of variable creation or later when you need that variable. Use the var keyword only for declaration or initialization. You should not redeclare the same variable twice. Identifiers can be short names like X and Y or more descriptive names like age, sum, total, volume. Total, the volume, yeah. Those are identifiers, descriptive names. General rules for constructing names for variables. Name can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Name begin with a letter or a dollar sign. Names are case sensitive. Reserved words like JavaScript keywords cannot be used as names because those are reserved words. Example, when you're declaring a var keyword, you declare it as a value, and then you assign it to a value. For instance, you're declaring X. What are you declaring X as? You're declaring X and assigning it at a value, which is a number. You're giving it a 10 as a number. So the value of X is 10. Value of Y, you've assigned a value to the Y. So the value of Y is 20, is equivalent to 20. In other terms, you can say the variable Z is equals to X plus Y. The value of X plus the value of Y is going to give you the value of Z. So you can declare a variable in another variable. Yeah. We're going to put them in examples and you're going to get the whole concept. Don't worry, just hold your ons. Another example, this is another short example. So this example is going to you've declared a variable. The variable you've declared X to be a 10, a Y to be a low, and variable Z is going to be 20. So document.write as a name output is going to give X plus Y plus Z. So you're going to take the value that was declared for X was 10. You're going to have 10, then you're going to add plus L and plus Z, which is 20. So the output is going to give you a 10 L20, just as the way it was put, but it's going to give you a summation of the all declared variable values. Redeclaring JavaScript variables. If you redeclare a JavaScript variable, it will lose its value. So you can redeclare a variable outside a block, but you cannot redeclare a value inside the block. The value of a variable changes only when it has been reinitialized. Reinitializing a value. For instance, this is an HTML document. where you're going to call your script tags from. So the variable you declared is John. John is equals to 10. Document.write, this is the output that is going to give you. It's going to give you the name of which is John, then the breakpoint. The output is going to be John. Yeah, so you're going to declare John. The name, the variable is John, so it's going to declare John, then it's going to break out. Another variable that you're going to declare, you have assigned is Jack. Let's say, for instance, you've given document.write name. The name that is going to be written is Jack, so it's going to give you an output of Jack. Yeah. JavaScript variable scope. Global variables. As a global scope, which means it can be defined anywhere in your JavaScript code. Global variable as a global scope, which means it can be defined anywhere in your JavaScript code. So it can be declared anywhere. You don't have to declare it specifically to the header or the body side of it. So when you declare it as a variable, you're going to assign it. When you assign it as a global value, you can call it from anywhere. So you can put it, for instance, you're running value of x in a function x in a function plus x. So the function plus x is going to give you the output of 10. Yeah. Document.value of x outside the function. Now this function is outside the document, so the output or the value of x outside the function is still going to give you 10. Why? Because you declared the value of x to be 10. Yeah. Local variable, only visible within a function where it is defined. So when you're declaring a value, for instance, you've declared a function in a function, you've declared a variable in a function. The value of x is equals to 10. This is a local variable. So when you're writing the value of x in the function, is going to give you the output. The value of x in the function is 10, locally declared. Thank you for being with me through the variable session. I hope to see you in the next session.